Good morning, everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are safe and secure in your homes. Please try to cooperate with your parents and take care of your work. If you have not completed your notebook, please be assured that your notebook is complete. Today, we are starting with the chapter Geography chapter it is. So, we are starting with chapter. So, let's go through what is the different points of climatic changes. First of all, we are going to study about weather and climate, then air pressure, then pressure belts, different pressure belts, then various types of rainfall. So these are the different things which help us to understand our environment. So it is basically related to the different factors which are relating and affecting our climate and weather conditions. So let's start this. First thing is, what is weather? As you can see, the day-to-day conditions of the atmosphere, like see, now you are feeling that it is sunny. After few hours, you'll feel it is cloudy. And maybe after 1 hour or 2 hour, it might be rainy. So when hour to hour changes are there, means from 1 hour to second hour, you never know it is sunny, bright sunny, or it might rain. So that kind of condition is called weather. So hour to hour changes in the atmosphere, it is called weather. Now, secondly, you see, when we see that uh, from June to July, June, July, August, okay, or maybe May, June, July, August, if you see that kind of temperature, if you count about 25 years or so, you have experienced that you have been experimenting, okay, this time we have usually hot weather. Same way, during December, January, February, and March, you find that it is winters. Then during March, April, that is quite little spring season. So usually we have seen and noted that these kind of different changes are there for years. It does not change. And in a particular area like in Chennai, it usually rains in this month. In Haryana, it usually rains in this month. Same way in other conditions in other places also there are same conditions. Like in Rajasthan, it is usually dry. In Chennai, it is usually moist. So this way, if you see, there are particular conditions for particular part of the year. So that change, which is changing from seasons to season, from year to year, from many years we have experimented, that is called climate. What it is called? Climate. So let's see, students, now. So what are the different factors which are affecting the climate? First is temperature. Second is humidity. Third is rainfall. And fourth is wind. As you know, we count the temperature. Now, what is temperature? As you can see, the students, this is all about climate we are doing. So 25 to 30 years when there is no change and we usually experiment the things in the same manner, that is called climate. Then we have different day-to-day conditions. This is also example. So we are talking about temperature now. So temperature means usually in a particular area, like in Rajasthan, take example of Rajasthan, we experiment around 45 degree above temperature. In Chennai, it is less. In Rajasthan, it is more. So this kind of temperature, when we are counting the degree of hotness or coldness in a particular area, that is called temperature. What it is called? Temperature. Now, second thing, what it is affecting is how much big or how much area it is there. Like this is the blue color, it is showing our earth, it is indicating our earth, and the yellow color, it is hot sun. And as you see, the bulge of the sun, bulge of the earth and the bulge of the sun from the center, it is quite near. And you see the distance between the earth and sun, because it is bulging out, that is very, very less. So that's why the area near the equator, it is quite hot, and the area near the pole, it is quite cold. That's why we can experience lot of ice in the polar areas, that is North Pole and South Pole. And near the equator, it is quite hot. So that's why the area which is near the equator, they are experimenting hot climate, and the areas near the polar climate, they are covered with the ice. Now comes why there is weather, the temperature or the weather is quite different in the city and the rural areas. In city, as you can see, big buildings are there and air becomes warm, and the warm air, now it is captured by the buildings. In the daytime they capture, and it is retained by the roads, buildings and all, and at night that same warm air rises up. So in the day also it is hot, and the night also it is hot, as compared to the village area or the green area. So if you see the garden area or the village area, because of greenery, the temperature is quite less as compared to the city area. So that's why we feel more hot in a city area as compared to the village area or green area. Now, how do we count this temperature? So the standard unit